Body 360 Nutritionals, the healthy lifestyle and performance brand. Experience healthy diet and energy with Burn 360, advanced fat loss activator and detoxifying compound with hyper-release delivery technology. Our super potent formula contains a proprietary thermogenic and metabolism enhancement complex, including the powerful antioxidants and anti-aging ingredients acai and trans resveratrol. Burn 360 targets unwanted body fat at the cellular level by potentiating thermogenesis and lipolysis, essentially stripping the body of unwanted subcutaneous and visceral body fat stores. How does Burn 360 work? Key agonists in Burn 360's thermogenic complex stimulate the sympathetic nervous system and the release of epinephrine and norepinephrine hormones. When these hormones are released, beta-adrenergic receptors are triggered, thereby releasing lipases within the fat cell. Lipases are enzymes which break down fat cells into triglycerides. These triglycerides are then released and circulated peripherally to muscle tissue and converted into intracellular energy. In other words, Burn 360 can help you lose body fat, increase energy, and just make you feel good. Burn 360. Get lean with the next generation healthy fat loss activator.